ki pulit jong ka East ka Sales District layo man kam hadu khatwei ngut ki runar ki badun kti ban shoh ik bar jylla ha ki thaiñ Jaïaw bat ki wei ki jaka ba marjan ha ki ni ki khniat sngi ya ka ne lapun tep du DG ka jylla Dr. Laja Ram Bishnoi ha ka baw labu ka chingkarpa di ki khon samlang ba ki ne buram lang ya ki brio ki badei ne ki wei pat ki jebin rio bat kanturu ba kimdei ban yadun kti hakum ki ni ki kam runar.
We are also getting a lot of complaints about the attack by some miscreants on the non-tribals, in particularly that Mawlai area of Shillong and also that Jaïaw area of the Shillong city. So I would like to share with you that in these two incidents, so far we have arrested 11 miscreants and we have recovered 5 number of scooties and 11 number of mobile phones, and we have taken them into 5 days police remand. Further interrogation will continue. My appeal to all the youth of the Shillong city that they should respect all the peoples from all the communities and never take law into their own hands. If the youth have any grievances, they should come forward, discuss with us, and we will help them out. Because attacking the non-tribals in the Shillong city will give very bad name to the police. So my appeal to all the youth through media friend that they should not indulge in all these things. See, after my joining, 2 such cases have been reported in Shillong city. Our traffic constable, by and large, they remain humble all the times and they are very well behaved. They are working very hard on the streets. So my appeal to citizens is that they should respect the traffic cop on the streets. But even after their assault, they did not think it wise to retaliate immediately. They have shown sufficient patience. I must appreciate the humbleness of the traffic constables. We have registered cases against the persons involved in it, and action will be taken as per law. But again, we don't want to create any inconvenience to public. Our emphasis is on to strengthen police-public relation. So if the miscreants, they assault traffic police personnel, so my appeal to youth will be only if you have any problems, please come to us. Instead of assaulting that traffic police constable who is doing round the clock duty on the road for your own convenience, he is your own brother, and if assaulting the traffic constable will be unacceptable, and we will take action as per law. Involvement, if any involvement of organization will come to our notice, then follow-up action will be ensured. We will strictly go as per law.